Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to make a thumbnail of YouTube on your Android. So let's begin. So for making the thumbnail you have to install Canva app in your mobile. Simply tap on the Canva app and open the Canva app which you would have downloaded. So here is the Canva app. You are seeing that you might want to try. There is a mobile video, YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail. So you will tap on YouTube thumbnail. You can search here as well that YouTube. You can search thumbnail. So these are the maiden thumbnails. You can edit from here also. If you want to make your own, you will go to home. You will tap on YouTube thumbnail. So you will tap on blank if you want your own design. So this is a page that is a thumbnail. So this is the options that we have given from the Canva app. You can take a background from your gallery or from the Canva app. So we have taken this background, so we can enlarge from here like this. Okay, so we have done with our background, so we can add text, add a heading, how create so we have written our text here, added text. Now we want to add some elements, so you will tap on elements. So these are some elements which you have on your Canva app. So you can add, like, this is a Facebook, so you will tap on Facebook. So you can see here much options of Facebook. So we will tap on this. Look that it can be also be as a background, or like you can enlarge from it and you can edit on this. So this is the process of creating a thumbnail. From here you can design of your own from the Canva app. So this as a app is very useful for creating your videos thumbnail on Android. So here at the top right corner there is a sign of download, so you will tap on this, save your image. You will save your thumbnail from here. So your thumbnail has been created. If you like the video, you can subscribe my channel for more related videos. Thank you.